Oh gosh, do you guys see the situation here? It's just so messy and I don't even know what to do. Now, please don't judge me. Those are my brushes, okay? They are clean, they are washed. It's just that, also, just to let you guys know, I don't use shoes from outside in this makeup room. So if you're a friend of mine, you already know the drill. You should leave your damn slippers outside, like legit, like outside where the tiles are at. But when it's carpet, I do not use dirty ass shoes in this place. So I don't even know what to say, guys. I'm completely embarrassed with the situation right here. This is my filming setup. So every time I'm in a hurry, I'm just, just gonna go ahead out because I'm not about to get late on something where I need it to be. So I already have the baby wipes. Ooh, check out Princess. Who's this beautiful girl? So we just got that clothing from Burlington. How much is that, Princess? $9. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. And then look at Sparky. Come here, Sparky. Sparky's clothes are a little big, but, come here. Come here, boy. Wow, so comfy. Oh my gosh, look at his attention-seeking bitch. Look at her. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Look, watch, guys. If I touch Sparky, look at what she's gonna do. Hey, oh no! Get out of there. Okay, by the way, guys, this stunning gown is from JJ's house. Now, I will be making a dedicated video on this one because I want you guys to see how it wears, and I will be reviewing that to you guys as well. So, oh my gosh, ow! So I think what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take out the trash first, okay? I'm gonna take out all the unnecessary things, and yeah, start from, I don't even know where to start. I'm at this point that I just want to throw everything out, but I think I'm just gonna take these out first. Okay, so remember my DIY ring light? I kind of want to repurpose that LED rope light, so I'm planning to put that over there across there because it's not really that long, so I don't even know if that's gonna make it through. So this one I'm just gonna put it away for a while. And as you noticed, I kind of took all of my stuffed toys away for a bit. And yeah, of course I hurt myself in the process. Guys, that was such a fail because I don't have any plug near it. So what I'm gonna do is that I'll probably just put there somewhere in the wall, but yeah, it kind of looks like I haven't had any progress, and I've been here for like an hour and a half. This is insane. So I'm just gonna start corner by corner. So I don't know, I'm probably gonna throw that away already because, or at least wait for summertime and wash that and, try my best to clean it up because it doesn't look cute at all. It just looks, it's such a, I don't know, it just looks good on Instagram, but in real life, this is it. That's the reality of that. But this has been with me for almost a year now, and I think I've very much used it anyway, so I have no regrets. I've lived my fantasy every time I use this chair, so yeah, I'll probably just clean it up. Who knows? It might still turn out to be beautiful. Okay, so this is the progress, guys. My plan is that I'm going to wipe everything because it's getting dusty. I don't want my makeup to have a lot of dust because it's gonna go bad. Now, I know the reason why a lot of YouTubers prefer their makeup in like cabinets like this, like the Alex ones, is because they don't want it to get bad. But me, I want my makeup as soon as I enter the room, I see the items that I worked hard for. Oh my gosh, this is just so overwhelming. The dirt is overwhelming, the dusts are overwhelming, everything is just so too much. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna focus on one side to another, and yeah, there's too much stuff, and then I'm just gonna take some things out, and then what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to vacuum the entire floor. So wipe everything down and start vacuuming. So I'm vacuuming my room and somebody decides to like do her business. Princess! It's not even funny. Also, guys, I wanted to show this to you. So I got this at Burlington, of course. Where else should I get it? I feel like I live in Burlington. I feel like the only shops that I go to is like Burlington, Burlington, Burlington. I love Burlington. It has a little bit of everything. But anywho, this is a jumbo color changing LED light box. I've seen a lot of YouTubers have it because I'm a basic bitch. I have to have one as well. Just kidding. Okay. So I hope you guys get my humor sometimes, because I know there are people that don't really understand my humor and legit takes everything seriously. I think that some people would, it's not that they don't get your humor, they just freaking hate you. Trust me, there is just like people like that. Do you feel me? Like, for example, in a workplace, you're being hilarious, and then some people will just take it literally. Some people are just, they just freaking hate you, okay? You're not an avocado. You can't please everybody. Anyway, going back, I got this for $14.99. There was actually a size smaller than this. However, I decided to pick this one up because I want something that is like bigger. So the price difference is $5. And I end up picking up this one because the sides, it's pink. I don't know anything about the color. I haven't even opened it. I haven't tried it. I just really want you guys to be with me while I'm unboxing this, okay? Let's go ahead and do it. Also, do you guys want to see my cut? Please don't be like ewy. But it's a deep cut from last night. And yes, it took me almost a whole day to renovate my entire room. I have decluttered a lot of makeup. And if you guys want, I'll show you guys that as well. So I'm going to tilt it. So inside this box, there is a free carton of only God knows what you can do with it. And then you have your whole, okay, there's an instruction. Today anything is possible. Oh, that's nice. So you can use a battery to operate this. There are mounting screws provided if you wish to put it in, you know, if you want to stick it in the wall. And then you have a USB cord. I'm pretty sure that I will be using the USB cord. I wish that you can just charge this whole thing and then just recharge it and recharge it. But no, you really have to, like, if you wanted it like freestanding somewhere without any electricity socket, then you just have to use a battery. So this is the contents, and then USB cord, and then you got your letters. Ooh. Okay, I'm putting my hand here so you guys can see how big it is. Oh, yay! Yay! I wonder what color is this. Is it gonna be white? Is it gonna be pink? But it says in the box. What does the box say? 125. Okay, so these are the letters that you're going to get as well. So there's a lot of each letter. Don't even worry about it. Rainbow color changing lights. Stands freely or can be, okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. Are you guys ready for my coat? Oh. Yes, the dude, you can. Hashtag boss babe. So if you guys know me, I've always wanted to be a lady boss myself. I feel like I'm my dad. I'm always driven in life, but I don't know. Some things are just getting in the way as of the moment, but I'm gonna continue dreaming what I wanted to become. So yeah, let's go ahead and test this one. So this power cable doesn't have any head, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the one that I have. This is from my iPhone. I'm just gonna connect that. Hey guys, the moment of truth. Wow, and it legit changes the light. so pretty. But I actually thought it was like bright enough. Let me do this. Oh, I just turned it off. So it's, what is this? So it's not white or something? Like, what is it? What am I gonna do now? Okay guys, this is it. I removed a bunch of stuff in the room to make way for my filming setup. So let's start with the door. Now this is just not, this may look like an ordinary ribbon for you guys. I mean, you can see this everywhere, I'm pretty sure, but this ribbon is actually very special to me because this is the same exact ribbon that was like tied in my luggage when I moved to America. I don't know, I feel like it's just so sentimental to me, and it just goes to show that one decision in your life can really change your entire life, and that's how important decisions are. You know, I feel like even when it comes to food, like, do you want to be healthy? Do you want to be not? You know what I mean? So this ribbon is really special to me. I'm not even going to throw this out. It has been with me for a long time. The reason why I put ribbons in my luggage is because it's easy for me to identify if it's mine or not. But, you know, sometimes I put little trinkets in it, this and that. But yeah, that's the reason behind this ribbon. And I feel like this is something that has to do with the path that I have with right now. Hope I make sense. So this one, I got this at Burlington. Oh, no. Toys R Us for $1. When they were closing, we went there and we saw this, and Joan Ray said, pick it up. It's so you. So I was like, okay. And it says the princess room, you may enter. And then at the back, it says no visitors. Oh. Okay, look at this space. Legit, I'm just gonna kick my door like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open the door. You guys know that I actually have 2 white rugs. I took away the one white rug because I'm just gonna use that. It doesn't look right. As of the moment, with all the layout, it doesn't look right. So what I'm gonna do with that one is that I'm just gonna use it for like product flat lays. This is my makeup station. So before my makeup station, it has like a nice free chair, but I took that one out for the meantime because it's so dirty and it can't be cleaned. It's winter time and it's not gonna dry out in time. I'm in the process of buying a table and a chair. I wish I can get them at Impressions Vanity, but it's so pricey. I feel like it's overpriced in my opinion, but I kind of still want it. So the light bars, the mirror, I did that myself. The table from Hobby Lobby, that one is from Burlington. The squares are from Walmart, and that one is from Burlington as well. That little thing, it was given to us when we moved here in this house with like it's like a basket full of goodies, and the mirror is from Burlington as well. And that one is from Burlington as well. And that one is from Burlington. So I have a lot of stuff that is from Burlington. So this is the one that I just recently got. It says, yes the fuck, oh, sorry. Yes the F you can, hashtag boss babe. So yeah, I have my Too Faced collection right there. Some Anastasia, MAC, Real Techniques. So I just added a little bit of NARS in here because these are the only flavor that I like, as well as the other candy, not just because it's pink. I just really love the flavor, but yeah, you guys know me, so sometimes I just grab one and eat it while I'm contemplating in life. The MAC pigments, and then there's a bunch of stuff. So we're gonna do that next time because we don't have all the time in the world. I have to get ready. I need to be somewhere where I'm at. Okay. So the bags, I've decided to put that there in the meantime, just so because before it was actually right there, right? So in the meantime, I have placed it right there where I can easily reach it. And the basket over there, it has some items that I'm about to review. My Hello Kitty bag, and the pink boots, pink sparkly boots from Forever 21. Okay, let me show you what it looks like when it's lit up. Look at that. It's very basic and simple right now. It's not where I, envisioned it, but I'm gonna be working on it next year. And then This is the mirror. I decided to put the lights on as well, like fairy lights. Super cute. It kind of adds this really nice accent. And then my shelf kind of looks like that right now. So that's actually empty. And the Naked Vault is full of goodies as well. I make sure that the dust is, you know, doesn't get inside. And that one has full contents. I actually bought that before they even removed it on the entire store. I can remember my manager, she said like, grab it now, love, or forever hold it, you know? And then that clutch and that shoes is very memorable to me as well. And then, ooh, of course, lashes. I decided to put this one here instead before it was in my table. But now I just placed it here because I feel like it's way cuter. So yeah, lashes and last year's MAC limited edition collection. By the way, can I just say that this year they have increased the price of their lipstick vaults. And now I saw that it was on sale, but I'm gonna wait again till they go to like 40% off. Am I bad? No. It's just me on a budget. You know, there are some items that I feel like I predict that they're gonna go on sale, so that's why I don't end up buying them. So I just put the white carpet here right now. Let me just take that out. It doesn't look cute. Okay. All right. So I have some jewelry here. Just random stuff. I'm still going to declutter it. Just want to quickly show you guys what's inside. I have a lot of ColourPop right here, which, you know what? I'm not very good with the single eyeshadows, honestly. I still prefer the palettes. And I tried depotting them, and it didn't work out. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this mini tour. You're probably wondering, like, why are you not showing yourself? Because my shorts is so skimpy that, you know, it's just so short, okay? Okay, thank you so much for coming by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.